a poppy, red like clay, red like a cherry that you picked today. Pick today, red like a cherry that you picked today. Red like a cherry, pick today.
Alakazam. Poof! You're all readers. Put it in your mind. What month are we in now? Let's look at that first letter. November.
And you're going to write a true story from your life. Something that happened to you. Now you probably didn't go to the park and find a doggy.
Will you wear red, oh my dear, oh my dear? Will you wear red, Jenny Jenkins? No, I won't wear red cause it goes to my head. I'll buy you a foldy, rolly, tildy, toldy, seek a double, use a cozy roll to find me. Roll, Jenny Jenkins, roll. Will you wear orange, oh my dear, oh my dear? Will you wear orange, Jenny Jenkins? No, orange I won't wear, and it rhymes so there. I'll buy you a foldy, rolly, tildy, toldy, seek a double, use a cozy roll to find me. Roll, Jenny Jenkins, roll. Will you wear yellow, my dear? Will you wear yellow, Jenny Jenkins? No, I won't wear yellow cause the color's too mellow. I'll buy you foldy, rolly, tildy, toldy, stick a double, use a cozy roll to find me. Roll, Jenny Jenkins, roll. Will you wear green, oh my dear, oh my dear? Will you wear green, Jenny Jenkins? No, I won't wear green, that's the color of a bee. I'll buy you a foldy, rolly, tildy, toldy, stick a double, use a cozy roll to find me. Roll, Jenny Jenkins, roll. Will you wear blue, oh my dear, oh my dear? Will you wear blue, Jenny Jenkins? No, I won't wear blue cause the color's too true. I'll buy you a foldy, rolly, tildy, toldy, stick a double, use a cozy roll to find me. Roll, Jenny Jenkins, roll. Will you wear violet, oh my dear, oh my dear? Will you wear violet, Jenny Jenkins? No, I won't wear violet, it'll cause a riot. I'll buy you a foldy, rolly, tildy, toldy, stick a double, use a cozy roll to find me. Roll, Jenny Jenkins, roll. So what will you wear?